Hello and welcome back to another video. So it's been quite a bit since the last video on Eclipse Hub that I made. Um, so I made a video on Eclipse Hub about a year ago or so when it first just came out, and it was brand spanking new. There were no cool features, but it's been a year. There were so many updates, so many new awesome features have been added. It's been redesigned a little bit, but today I will go through the entire hub. This is an actual official hub review video made by me, one of the admins. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'll show you some premium features and stuff like that. And yeah, so this is the homepage for Eclipse Hub. It's pretty sweet. It was just redesigned. This is how the hub looks like for anyone that has not used it before. It's made by my friend Ethan. He's an awesome guy. Eclipse Hub is supported by Synapse X, kernel, and scriptware Windows only, unless you have another executor that may work with Eclipse that most likely uses kernel's API, stuff like that. That's awesome. So, basically, there's a lot of cool features on Eclipse Hub. Like if you've seen in the photo right here, there's a universal tab which has universal aimbot you can use on any games, universal shames, ESP, stuff like that. Then there's a scripts tab where there's scripts for games like Murder Mystery, which is the highly popular script for Eclipse Hub. Actually, we are one of the biggest scripts for MM2, which is awesome. There's scripts for Jailbreak, Bloxburg, stuff like that also. Premium has some pretty cool bypassing features and protection for premium buyers. Settings has stuff from keybinds to server hopping to copying server IDs, stuff like that. Chat is the universal chat where you could talk with your friends that are also using Eclipse Hub in a different game. Like let's say you're playing Murder Mystery, they're playing scuba diving into Quill Lake, or one of your other friends is on Discord. You don't want to open Discord, you could basically type there and they're gonna see it on the Discord, on the Eclipse Discord. There is an audio page where there's a bunch of bypassed audios. You could get control, which actually allows you to mess around with free Eclipse users. Anything from kicking them, freezing them, killing them, benexing them, which is basically making them do sexual stuff to your character. It's really funny. They can't really do anything when you're doing that because you have full control over them. However, it does not work on everyone else who's not using Eclipse Hub. It's only for free users that you could control. Then there's a sniper, which allows you to join anyone in any game who has their following off, but you know what game they're in. You just paste the game ID or server ID out, or I don't even know. But yeah. So there's a link. Well, not link. There's a tab of features right here for Murder Mystery, stuff like that. Parkour, ninja, build a boat. That kind of cool stuff. Then there's some premium scripts features. I will link the website in the description, as well as the load string. Or no, I will link the website and Ethan's GitHub, whichever you guys want to use. Then there's a premium tab, which shows the cool premium features that you would get with, buying the premium for the hub. games, chat perks, custom themes. I'm pretty sure this one's not released yet. This might be coming soon. I am not sure. There's control, detection, protection, Discord perks. So currently there are only two payment methods: Robux 3,150 or 3,150. I probably said it wrong. Robux or $14 PayPal. There is a big difference in the pricing. Yes, I get it, but there is a reason Robux are that much and PayPal's that much. Stripe is coming soon. Maybe Bitcoin. Prices will go up as more scripts get added, more cool features get added, stuff like that. You would click the Discord server once you create an Eclipse Hub account, and that way, after you do that, you could basically join, get support, report bugs, request scripts, talk to everyone else in the community, stuff like that. I'm pretty sure there's over 20 to 30,000 people in the server. I might be wrong. Yeah, there's almost 30,000 people in the Eclipse Hub server, which is awesome. That's a pretty big community for a hub. But yeah, let's actually quit babbling about this stuff and actually show you how the script works. So in a second, it will pop up right here. You're gonna hear a ding. This will be the first page you see, which is a home page. There will be a change log for anyone who's not in the server but wants to see the new updates. So current version is 0.81, which fixed universal chat. There was also a fake reporting option added for people that are farming on murder mystery but want to report people that are quote unquote exploiting, but you could actually report anyone using the script. So there's no one currently in this server that's using Eclipse Hub. So this is actually no, let's go back up. So this is the home page. It shows your status. If you're logged in, you can click this button right here. It will let you join the Discord. If you're playing a game that's supported by the scripts, which has a script available, there will be a tab right here that says, oh yeah, Murder Mystery. So, you got stuff from visuals like ESP, Murder ESP, I don't even know where the map is, Trap ESP, Gun ESP, Chains, which are player skeletons. You could hide it in lobby. You could change how transparent it is, which is awesome. There's stuff like instant roll notification, which is going to notify you who's murder. You could enable see death chat, so if you're playing and you're still alive and people that died are talking in chat, you would be able to see them. You can mute other radios but still hear your radio. You can play autoplay ID, which basically would play an audio ID through your radio nonstop. Show sprint trails, so if you're sprinting, it's gonna show these cool trails on you. Infinite ghost. Basically, that is gonna make you a ghost every single time. Dual wielding effect would give you 2 knives, I'm pretty sure, but I'm not sure if other players could see it. You could toggle shift of run, so if you hold shift, you can run. There's stuff like X-ray, which makes the map transparent. Remove boundaries, so if I wanted to, I could jump over this cool border. Actually, I probably cannot for whatever reason. But it usually would let you. Let me see. It should work. Yeah, right here I could go out the map. I could go on the roof. Blurt rolls, it's gonna instantly blurt the rolls every round in chat. There's void protection, so if I was to jump off right here, it would stop me from dying. You could void the murder, which if you have a toy like a bear or an ice cream, you could actually put the murder in the void, which would kill him or her. You could see the dropped gun. You could grab the gun by clicking the key G or whatever key you have linked. There's aim prediction, which would predict the aim for silent aim, I'm pretty sure. But there's an option for both a gun and knife, so if you're a murderer, you could aimbot the other people. Shoot the murder, which is basically aimbot. Sharpshooter, disable bank scanner, so it's not gonna beep every time you pass. If you're the murderer, you could click K, which would kill everyone with the knife. You could enable stab reach, which would basically make the players' hitboxes a lot farther, that you could reach them from like a long amount away. Actually, let's go and teleport to the map and actually demonstrate how the aimbot works. So you click C, it would teleport and shoot the murder like that. So that's awesome. You could get all free emotes. So if you click get all emotes, if you click your E2, it's gonna give you all these awesome emotes. Everyone sees them. You could get headless. You could do seizure, which would seizure all your emotes the entire time. It's pretty funny. There's auto farm. Auto farm is actually awesome. If you're in the Discord, people actually give you the config file, which I will show you how to do if you want to configure an auto farm overnight. It's actually really awesome. You could do God mode farming, auto unbox, which would auto unbox cases while you're, farming. So if you want to unbox case knife box 1, something like that. You could do XP farm, which would kill everyone or kill the murder after a certain point. So it would help you level up your account. TP, when done to lobby, it will basically teleport you back to the lobby after it's full. Only God when inno, which means it will only put you in God mode when you're innocent, but not when you are murder or sheriff. XP troll, I don't know what that does, but switch on farmer is pretty awesome. Basically, if you put 2 and you're auto farming, it's basically going to switch after it reaches, let's say, 3 players. If you're set to 2, it'll drop to. If it goes over 2 and it's 3, it's gonna automatically switch if you have that set up. If not, just keep it on. It shows you a prediction of your earnings and how long you've been farming for. You could kick players. Again, you need a teddy bear, something like that. You get auto break gun. Get a fake gun, which you need a perk. Loop trap all. So if you have the perk for that, you could automatically put everyone in a trap the entire game. Infinity traps, which is awesome. No trap cooldown, always a live chat, which I'm pretty sure lets you talk to everyone in chat. You could give yourself an infinite inventory, so if I wanted that many, items, there you go. Holy crap, I'm so rich, guys. Oh, like, holy crap, look at me, I have everything in the game. So many items, like, holy crap. Like, I have everything in the game. Oh, it disappeared again. But there's also, a this is basically for premium members. Basically, you can report people to the developer because there's some Google Sheet right now, and basically you can crap. Basically, you could go ahead and submit false evidence, which would get players banned from the game permanently for quote unquote exploiting, which is fun but sad at the same time. I'm not gonna demonstrate. Actually, yeah. You could basically submit it for anyone in the server. I'm pretty sure. Don't quote me on that. You could go ahead and try. It's pretty awesome. You can mess around with it. Then there's a universal tab, like I said. Player ESP, James, X-ray. You adjust lighting, fake lag, which would pretty sure make you seem like you have lag, I guess. Clock time, which would change, I don't know, the lighting, how dark it is. You can unlock the camera, which you could basically zoom out infinite if you want to. There's aimbot, there's fly, there's anti-exploiter, so would so if someone's, um, anti-flinging, or yeah, you could enable anti-fling, anti-void, so if someone tries teleporting you to die or is trying to fling you, they cannot do that. There's scripts page, which shows you what works, what does not, what's free and what's not. Then there's a settings tab for toggling keys, panic button. So if you click the panic button, it's going to shut everything down. You can have a custom cursor, alt mode, stuff like that. But let's talk about how to create a config. So let's say someone is, or not someone, but let's say you want to auto farm and you want to automatically have a config load in. So what you would do is you would select whatever settings you want, this, that, blah, blah, blah. I want this on. You would go into files. You would save to config. So basically you could click save to config. Oh wait, no. Crap. Oh, so you would name your config, so Roblox, I don't know, and then, oh crap, oh, you would do new config, sorry, which would create a new config. You could go in, rename it, so Roblox, I don't know, it would name it that, and then you could go in, change settings like auto rejoin, and you would click save to config. If you want to do automatic saving, you could do that. You could load in a config. So let's say I'm using my config. I would click a load config. It would load it in, and it would load all my settings in that I use. Everything from, auto farming, stuff like that. And yeah, there you go. That's how you use the config. Then there's a rejoin option, so you can auto switch servers every like 60 minutes to 360 minutes if you want to, which is like, I don't even know. I don't know math. Uh, 7 hours, I guess, probably. You could auto rejoin if you're farming and the server is empty, so there's no one in there. So it continues. You could prefer full server, so if instead you want to be in a full server, you could do that. You could copy the server ID, stuff like that. For control, you could just say, pretty sure, I don't even remember what disable does. I'm pretty sure it just doesn't, or, I don't know what disable does, I'm sorry. But there's also a notification, which would probably notify you if someone joined. Only check on page. Disable showing premium, so if I don't want to be premium, it would say I'm not using, or yeah, it would say I'm not using Eclipse, but in reality, I am actually using Eclipse. Um, pathfinding, pathfinding is basically I'm again pretty sure it's towards auto farming, which is for safe mode. Then the rest is just your key binds you could save. Then we have the chat. This is the universal chat. Um, so I could type hi. It would send it here. It would send it everywhere. You could actually also invite players. So if you click that, you could invite, block them. That's cool. Then there is the audio page, which shows a bunch of bypassed audios. Then the control page, which lets you kick players, kill players, bring players, freeze players, BenX players on BenX. But it only works for Eclipse users, so you cannot just click on this guy. But it's gonna say you cannot use it on that guy, which is awesome. And then there's a sniper, which allows you to put the player username and the game they're in, and it will start finding them, and you can teleport. And then there's ult manager. So if you have like 5 accounts in one server and you want to control all of them from this account, you would enable it, and then you would add them over here. So you could name it whatever your ult name is. You could save a ult config. Also awesome. So if you have those accounts in one server, you could control them. You have stuff like kick, leave, boot, rejoin, relog, destroy, kill. They could say stuff. They could start spam advertising, which is all awesome. So yeah. Let's actually go to another game, which is a premium game. So let's say Jailbreak. Let's go ahead and teleport. There's I don't even remember what's in the Jailbreak. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be an auto farm. So let's see. Should auto load in? Yep. So if you have auto execute on, it will basically load it in. So there's a Jailbreak tab. You can open all doors. So if I want to go over here, I can. I don't even know where anything is. I could change clothing. Awesome stuff. Yeah, so that door will be constantly opening, which is awesome. Let me see. Is there a car I could grab? There's a car I could grab. You can remove the tasing cooldown, so if you have taser, you could do that. Let's see. Vehicle mods. You can make the horsepower like that, so you could drive around really quickly. You change the height of your vehicle, so you can basically do this and drive around. Make the car bounce if you want to. Again, don't really recommend a lot of this stuff, but up to you. You could do infinite nitro, which would give you infinite nitro. Again, Ethan made all of these scripts. He knows what he's doing. So yeah, your car would bounce around with the car bounce on. There's auto farm as well, and there's gun mods. So if you want no reload, no recoil, stuff like that. But if I currently patch, we'll work on rewrite if you guys want. Oh, so I guess there's no auto farm currently. So if you guys want to have an auto farm for this game, join the Discord. Beg Ethan to create an auto farm. So yeah, let's see. Pretty sure there is also Bloxburg, unless he removed it. Yeah, there is Bloxburg. So let's go ahead and join Bloxburg. This account might be banned. I'm not really sure. Let's actually see. Yeah, this account is banned. But yeah, that ends the video here, I guess. So I showed you guys the full MM2 features, everything. Actually, no, I did not show everything. I did not show the premium tab, but the premium tab just has a bunch of like protection scripts or options. You guys could check them out once you have premium. I'm not. It's just a bunch of bypassing stuff, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry for taking so long to actually make a new hub review, but yeah, hope you guys have a good day, and talk to you all later.